The faucet is leaking or dripping. The carpet is frayed. The table is wobbly. The hinges are squeaking. The kettle is whistling. The clock hands are stuck. The carpet at the end, it is curling at the end. The windows are fogged up. Now what will come here? Let me know in the comments.